Hey, what's up guys, how you are doing? I think you are doing well. Now let's see class 10th NCERT exercise 1.2 question number 1. You can also read this question here. The question is telling that express the following number in the form of prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. We should not have to calculate it directly. We should have to calculate it by prime factorization method. Now let's see. The question is telling write the prime factor and its product by calculating it by prime factorization method. Now let's see. We should have to take LCM of 140. But you should not have to apply this process in your examination. 70, 35, 5, 7 and 7, 1. Now you should have to directly cross it in paper and write here rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough work. Alright, now you can see here these are the factors of 140. Then you can write here 2 into 2 raised to 2 into 5 into 7, and this is your required answer. Now for you, I'm solving one more question. Now let's see one more question. The question is telling the same thing. We should have to calculate the product by prime factorization method of 156. Please subscribe to our channel. 156. Now one more time we should write here. Calculate it. 78, 2, 39, 3, 13 and 31. And 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 13 is our required answer. Now I think you can solve all 3 questions and comment it into our comment box. Now we see the second question is telling that find the LCM and the HCF of the following pair of the integer and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. I think you may know the formula is LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. You can simply write this formula as this. Now the question is telling, please write this formula in a fair copy or any rough copy. The question is telling 26 and 91. We should have to prove this, that the LCM and the HCF, the product of LCM and HCF and the product of these two numbers are equal. Now let's see. LCM of this number is same. I think you may know or not. The LCM of any number is same. Yeah. LCM and HCF. Now, if you have to calculate LCM, 26, 91, 2, 13, 91, 7 times 13, 7. Up now you should have to take it. No, sorry, 13, 1. Now the factor is we should have to multiply these things for LCM. Now LCM is equal to 14 into 17 into 13 is our LCM. We should have to erase this. Now we should have to calculate the HCF. It is our one of the required answer. Now H for HCF 26, 91. How many times? 2 times. No, 3 times. G. 78, 13, 26, 2, 26, now 13. 13 is your HCF. 13 is our HCF. HCF. Now we should have to prove it that LCM into HCF is equal to LCM. Multiply up to both two numbers. LCM had given, HCF had given, both two numbers had given. Now we should have to use directly the formula. 14 into 13 is equal to 13. 14 into 13 into 13 is equal to 26 into 91. Yeah. We should have to multiply these two numbers. Yeah. This is 172 into 13 is equal to 26 into 91. Yeah. Now multiply both these numbers, and the next question is both two are equal. The next question is telling, please subscribe to our channel. I think you may enjoying our English class, which is composed by Mr. Alok Oja. He is great man. Now the next question is telling, question number 4. Question number 3 you can also do just like first one. Question number 4 is telling that HCF is given 9, or both two number given. Both two number क्या होगा? 306 and 657. 657. I think you may know that the formula HCF into LCM is equal to multiple of this number and this number. No. Erase comma, multiply it. 9 is given, but LCM is not given. Now how you can calculate it? LCM, directly divide 9 by this thing. 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 34 into 656. This is our required answer. I think you know how to multiply in number, and this is our answer. Now we are ready to see the next question. The question you can also see here. The question is telling, check whether the 6th power n never ended with the digit 0. The answer of this question you can also see here. 6th power n can never ended with digit 0 because it does not have 2 and 5 in its factor. 6 की power n. You may think, sorry, 6 की power n never ended with the digit 0 because it have 2 and 3 in its factor, not 2 and 5 like 10. Now, I think you don't have any problem in this question. Now see the next question. The next question is telling that, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 are composite number. Composite number are those number which have more than one factor. Now see, question is telling that 17, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is composite number. We should have to prove this. Now see what we have to do. 13 and 13. We can also take 13 as a common factor. If we take 13 as a common factor, then in bracket 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. So that 13 have more than 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 itself factor and have 4 more factor. So it's proved that it is a composite number. Now we see the next question in same part. You can also calculate that question. If you have any problem, then comment. The question is telling that, the 7th question and the last question of exercise 1.2. There is a circular path around a sport field. Sonia take 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same work. We should have to calculate here 6 simply the LCM of 18 and 12. Now you can calculate this. 2, 9, 6. 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, comma 1. 2, 2, 3, 3. 3, 3 is 9, 4, 6, 36. 36 minutes is our required answer. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.